Rachel.
Is it yummy?
What are you eating?
Chocolate.
With what?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
What's Mommy doing?
Rachel, did you just stick that whole thing in your mouth?
Can you chew that, sweetie?
Little big, huh?
Milk, Rachel? Okay, I'll get you some milk, sweetie. Pink milk? Well, will be.
Pink milk. Oh, pink milk?
Oh, it's purple milk.
Purple milk? Yeah.
Lick your fingers off. What's all over your fingers? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, more strawberries.
Hi, Cat.
Here, Mommy's got to clean them.
Oh no.